FendtONE onboard technology, standard settings, terminal and armrest. To restore the standard settings for our armrest, it's necessary to open the menu where we are able to set the three assignable buttons on our armrest. We can open this menu via our launchpad or via the button here in front of our turn push button with the two arrows and the E in the middle. When we open this menu, we see that the brown valve is actually on our joystick and the beacon light as well. This is not standard. Standard is here the green valve. How to restore? Unlock here on the right side. Use the button with the Fendt logo. Yes, I like to restore it. And now you see the green valve, and these buttons are free for the driver's setting, and as well here on the lever you see the green color which shows you the green valve is back on the joystick. To restore the terminal standard settings, click here on the right side, open the overview manager, and as well here is the Fendt logo. You see 4 tiles, and tile number 5 and 6 is together for the hydraulic valves. To restore the standard settings, Fendt, yes, I like. And then we have as well the standard settings for our terminal.